In my channel, these are SOF related videos of 2025 featuring my son's IGKO live results, its step-by-step process, then the video covering qualifying criteria for level 2 exams and what your mark sheet actually mean, and of course a question paper 2025 for IGKO, IEO, IMO and NSO. All the links are in the description, please do check them out. This video are for those who qualified for level 2 exams. This video covers exam schedule, preparation tips, and of course, best resources available. I would like to emphasize that not all Olympiads have two levels. Some are single-leveled Olympiads, just like IGKO, ICSO, that is Computer Science, ISSO, Social Studies, IHO for Hindi, and ICO for Commerce. These exams are held once, primarily for class 1 to 10, except for ICO, which is Commerce, for grade 11 and 12. Level 2 exams are conducted for Olympiads like NSO, National Science Olympiad, International Maths Olympiad IMO, and International English Olympiad IEO. Level 2 Olympiads are advanced second stage exams for top performing students classes 3 to 12. These higher difficulty exams held in February require qualifying in the top 5% or specific zonal ranks from level 1, featuring tougher questions to test deeper conceptual understanding. In topics covered, first let's see exam schedule. In the exam schedule tab, date of the level 2 exam is mentioned. For this year, it is February 8th. According to your zone, the venue will be mentioned in the admit card, which will be sent to your respective school last week of January. This is just a sample of admit card for level 2. It looks like it will have 2 copies and you should not be separating it. Give it to the invigilator as such. Once you receive the admit card, you will have to paste your passport size photo and get your school seal on top of it. And then you're ready to go. Now the tips. I would like to emphasize on crux of the matter, time. Yes, he who rules over his time will rule over his future, as time management is the helm of destiny. I truly believe this is the ultimate truth of life and of course Olympiad, especially Maths Olympiad. So, shedding some light on the question patterns and marks allotted. Keep in mind this is for level 2 Maths. Mathematics 45 questions, each 1 mark, so 45 marks. Achiever section 5 questions, each 3 marks, making it 15 marks total. 50 questions, 60 marks. This is my first tip. Olympiads have strict time limits, making it crucial to secure points quickly. The technique is to start with Achiever section. This may sound counterproductive for some, as the common approach is confidence first, solve easy sums first and then tackle the hard ones. For me, this can be a good approach for lower classes, but we are talking about middle class. Level 2, class 7. Time is the key, so solve the Achiever section of 5 questions diligently for first 15 minutes. You solve it, got an answer which matches the option, then well and good. If not, shade any option you think might be the correct and move forward. Deal with it then and there. No coming back for it later. I promise you, you will not get time to come back and shade. Everyone who has attended these exams know well that they will get occupied with questions and will not have time to return. Universal truth, period. Solve it, got answers, good. If not, shade something, move on. That's it, number 1. So once the 15 minutes mark is over, you not through 5 questions, just shade any option, move forward with the rest of 45 questions. I know I'm repeating it, but this is the key. Tip number 2, your textbook. Always engrave this in your mind. Your textbook is number 1 guide towards scoring high. Rest comes later. So any subject you take, we will have to be very thorough regarding all the chapters, exercises, model questions, hard questions. Check your progress of our textbook, every single chapter. So thorough that you will remember it in your mind. No excuses for this tip. We will have to. Just this one book. Tip number 3. let's just be real here. I didn't expect my son to qualify for level 2 and I seriously can't afford level 2 resources. So my suggestion to you guys, if you can't afford level 2 specific books, let's focus on whatever we have in our hand. I had bought this foundation course book, so let's first thoroughly complete the foundation course book, all chapters, plus prep 1 and prep 2 question papers, plus IMO 2024-25 question paper. So if we had finished this thoroughly, I'm pretty sure we will be able to solve advanced questions too. What my son usually do is, he will solve all the chapters level 1, level 2 HOTS questions, but skip the last part like the match the following, assertion and reason type, comprehension type, subjective problems, short answers, long answers type, integer numerical value and case-based questions. So finish all these also. Even if you don't have level 2 specified books or workbook, it is okay. Finish level 1, whatever book you have in hand. Tip number 4. This may not be an immediate help, but if you start now, do research and get organized, you can master it for next year Olympiad. It is this: finding different techniques to do basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You would have definitely seen videos where kids do max calculation, waving fingers with instant correct answers. I'm someone who wants pen paper to do these, but I would like my son to try out these fast techniques. Finger-based calculation techniques, mental calculation systems, visual tactic methods. Finger abacus, hand abacus, that's what this video was about. Similar to Chais and Bob. Vedic Max, Max Sutra. I had got this Max Sutra book long back and even got Udemy courses with the same. But my son lost track and did not pursue it. I would like him to try these techniques during this summer vacation and select one and master it. Even though this tip is not immediate, but to be pursued for sure. Tip number 5. Olympiad qualified students. Do you know what this means? This means you should have mastered the unspoken skill of super fast basic arithmetic calculations. Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So when you have to solve one problem per minute, you really can't afford to take the traditional route for basic arithmetic calculations. So as mentioned in tip 4, master one special technique and use max speed test. Google it, find one that matches your interest. Practice it every single day. Last but not least, tip 6. Find last year question papers and solve it. I'm specifically talking about level 2. Even if you can't afford other resources, it's okay, but please spend time finding out last year question papers for level 2. This is going to be a bit difficult as they will collect the question paper after the exam. So research it online, find it on YouTube or in their MTG's website to avail level 2 specific question papers. Please stay tuned till the end of this video where I share something in this regard. So these were the 5 tips. Now entering into the level 2 resources. So for resources level 2, head on to MTG website because that's what SOF is connected by MTG. So you can find their resources for level 2 specifically. Click on to the web link and you will get their resources specifically for level 2. So because I'm handling IMO, I will show you the IMO resources. First is IMO Power Pack Level 2. This is 4,671 rupees with online classes especially. This was 6,673 few days ago. I will tell you why it reduced. Next is IMO Power Pack Practice Level 2 without the online classes. And then comes the MTG Olympiad Crash Course IMO Level 2. This is 4,599. And then comes Olympiad Skill Development System, especially for Level 2, 1,099 rupees. And then All India IMO Mock Test Level 2. This is 500 rupees. Then IMO Previous Year Papers Level 2. This is 475 plus GST. Now, likewise, they will have for science and of course English. So because these are the 3 exams which has level 2 exams. Now coming back in detail, IMO Power Pack Level 2 with online classes. Let's see the details of it. let's just click class 7 because that's what I'm dealing with. Here you have all the included products listed over here. It is downloadable ebook, and it is 4,671. So it has all the 4 things, that is the crash course, online classes, and then mock test, and then OSDS, and then 5 years question paper. All these things are online, downloadable e-format. Now if you check the descriptions, you can see this level 2 Olympiad combo named Power Pack provides all Olympiad essentials in one pack for 360-degree preparation for the Olympiad exams. So IMO previous year 5-year question papers in PDF downloadable and printable form. Next, Olympiad skill development system test series for 5 model test papers to deliver in periodic intervals. All India online mock test, a set of 3 papers, and then Olympiad Crash Course live online classes to take care of your doubts about the mentioned test papers. So this online class, this is what it makes very special. The expensive is 3,219. So this is what it is. It was 4,599. They have reduced the price because here it is. 9 classes started on 19th January 2026. The classes have already started, and so that's why they have reduced the price, because now today it is 26th. So start date of this online classes will be subject to batch completion. Batch timings are 6:15 to 7:15 p.m. The days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So this is the online class that they have in this combo. Live online classes for M2 Level 2 exams, which help students to understand Level 2 exam patterns. Our expert teachers will assist them in answering challenging Olympiad questions. There will be 12 sessions with concept revisions along with practice questions, where the student will be on question solving, emphasis on question solving. So Level 2 online class courses batch 1 will have live classes with Olympiad expert teachers, intensive 1-hour power sessions, level 2 practice questions, doubt solving, strategic exam analysis with 1 year level 2 paper, access yourself with model test paper, class recordings access till 31st March 2026 through LMS. So batch timing 6:15 to 7:15. Days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The start date was 19th January. So we have crossed the start date. So that's why you get in an offer price. So this is what is available on their MTG website, the combo 1. You can also buy individual products from their website. So as promised earlier, I bought the level 2 previous 5-year question paper. So stay tuned for that video. So this was the tips and tricks to ace your max level 2 SOF Olympiad. If you find it informative, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing to all your friends who have also qualified for level 2. Meet you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.